How are y'all doing? So for my passion project, I wanted to find a website that would help teachers teach and students to have like a practice tool. And I found this really cool website. It's called IXL.com, and you have like all these grades, all these subjects. I chose math just because I suck at math and I wanted, a reference and a resource. So, say you're teaching pre-K. So, see all 91 skills. They have a lot to do from. So, let's choose number 1. Pick everyone.
Pick everyone.
And it talks to them, so they just choose the ones. And it really encourages them. And then
pick every 2. Pick every 3.
I think this just is a great website to help the students. And you have all these just plans that you can use. So that's for the learning section, and then you go to the diagnostics, and you can look at how your students are doing, and I think that's amazing. I think that's the best because you can see where you need to work on, like with the students, and how you can help them. You can also make a plan for yourself, and like say you wanted adding and subtracting or division and multiply on different plans, you can make that. You can just see how they're doing with each lesson, and like if you put them in groups, you can see where they are. You go over here, and you can just see where your students are. You can teach the whole class, so you can make your personal plans, and you can see where the students are doing it. You can tell them to do this, and you can see where they are. If a student or a group is struggling on something, you can you can choose certain things for that group. And again, you can just see it. And I think this is such a great website, especially for online teaching. So if this does happen again, you'd be able to have those plans and see where your students are, and because I feel like that's where we're missing now that we're online, is you miss seeing your students and talking to them every day. So you don't know how they're doing or what they need help on unless they come to you. So this will help you go to them. So yeah, thank y'all so much. I hope you'll have an amazing day.